In today's video, we will guide you through on how to add signature in Adobe Acrobat. It's very quick and simple. All you have to do is follow along. Also, a little disclaimer. I just want to tell you guys that in this video, you will not be able to see the toolbar. Although the adding signature feature falls onto the toolbar, sadly you cannot see that. I don't know why. There might be some technical issue. I mean, I can see that in real, but while screen recording this screen, somehow it's not visible. So assume that there's a toolbar over there. So okay, let's start. So normally I hope you know where the toolbar is. So first step is go to the toolbar. In my case, you cannot see this in this video, but I'm sure that you can follow along by listening to this video. So let's go to the toolbar first, and usually it's at the bottom area. So you can see the icon. It's not at the very bottom, but like maybe at third last. So there's an icon that says add your signature or initials. So there's an icon of pen, a tip of a pen. So simply tap into that icon and you'll be led to this option that says add signature. Simply tap into the plus icon and you will be led to this thing. All you have to do is type in your name. So okay, I'm gonna type in mine. Okay, so suppose this is my name, alright? And you can type in your own name. So you can also change your style over here, bringing up the different style. I think the cursive one is more like, it looks more like a signature. So okay, I think this one will do. So in order to apply, simply tap in apply, and there you go. This is the signature. So you can simply choose the place wherever you want to place it and tap in there. And there you go. This is how you add signature in Adobe Acrobat. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider subscribing and liking our videos. Thank you for watching.